Kaufman. Mr. Kaufman was assigned to a special military intelligence unit at Roswell in 1947.
Well, Don, let me first explain that in the 1940s, this base, Roswell Army Airfield, was one of the most important bases in the entire Air Force because of the many varied activities that going on here. We had the Northern Bomb Sight here. It was one of the training bases for the 509th Bomb Group, which dropped the atomic bomb on Japan. And the fact, too, that you had experimental work going on at White Sands and also highly secretive work going on at Los Alamos in the northern part of the state. So you could see that this was a hotbed of activity. It was one of the hottest places in the entire world. Well, in June of 1947, our radar people stationed at White Sands noticed a series of erratic movement of blips. And on the night of July the 4th, we were watching the blips. I think it must have been about 11 p.m. There was severe thunderstorm and heavy rain going on into the entire area. The screen lit up. The radar man just couldn't quite make out just what was wrong. Maybe there was something wrong with the radar screen, but he was told that it was in working order. So he came to the conclusion that something went down east of White Sands, where he did not know. So in the meantime, we were in constant communication with White Sands, with Roswell Army Airfield, with the base commander here, and also the intelligence officer. And we were ordered back to the base. And on our way back, we were still in radio communication. What called our attention that something went down north of Roswell is that people driving on U.S. Highway 285 north going south noticed an orange ball falling towards Earth. Well, it was common in those days to call the base and tell them that something unusual would happen. So as we got back to the base, in the meantime, Major Easley, the provost marshal, sent some MPs out on 285 to locate where this orange ball actually fell to Earth. And they noticed this orange glow off the highway, about maybe 15 miles inside, off the highway. And when we arrived back to the base, we were told to go out there, and we had searchlights and what have you, to the area. We had to clip some wire fences, get into the area. And what we saw at that time was just unbelievable. It wasn't one of our crafts. We know what they look like. But what we saw was a craft of unknown origin.